Hello, I'm Norman. I have over 30 years experience as a VBA Programmer Developer. I also qualified as an accountant with CIMA. My speciality is automating finance systems. I understand both sides, programming and accountancy. I know what's wanted, why it's wanted, and how to deliver the results. I have another string to my bow: artificial intelligence. It writes code for me. Seeing is believing. Watch as it produces 68 lines of code in 12 seconds from 10 lines of instructions. AI is now a must-have for programmer developers, and I have it. Have you ever used the macro recorder? You switch it on, then record the macro manually, one step at a time. I use a version of AI called ChatGPT. You prepare a set of instructions for it, then paste them to ChatGPT. What you can see is the ChatGPT input screen. I've paused it just before it starts to produce the code. My instructions are only 10 lines in length. This is the speed ChatGPT processes the instructions. Something like a Grand Prix car accelerating. "12 seconds later, I have a macro script with 68 lines of code. But unlike the macro recorder, it contains instructions and notes. The code's top quality. And it gave me notes and guidance in addition to the script. It does the same for formulas." Thanks for watching. If this video doesn't convince you to employ me, then nothing will. Just remember, I did qualify as an accountant. I have got 30 years experience and I understand AI. I hope whoever you take on, if you don't take me on, can say the same. Thanks once again for watching.